Welcome. In this video module, we will be learning about Advanced Text Editor. Click on Start button and go to Notepad. To format the text, select the text and go to Format menu and click on Font. This is a font option from which we can change the font style of text. Font style. This shows the style of text. Size. This shows the size of text. Sample. This shows the sample of font style. Script. It shows the type of script in which you want to display your text. After changing this, press OK. Now let's see about WordPad. This is font option used to change the font text. Font size used to set the size of font. This is a text color used to change the color of text. Bold, italic, underline. This is used to change the style of font. These are alignment options used to set the alignment of text. Left, center, right, and justify. Picture. This is used to insert picture in your file. Paint drawing. It is used to draw the picture in your file. By selecting this, it will open the paint window where you can draw picture and then insert in your file. date and time. Used to insert date and time format. Insert object. Used to insert object. Find. Find text in the document. Replace. Replace text in the document.